Welcome to Brain Key. Brain Key presents benefits of jackfruit. Fresh jackfruit is large and it can be intimidating to try to tackle this massive fruit for the first time. But when you consider its nutritional impact, you will understand the reasons so many choose to enjoy this fruit. Packed with antioxidants and fiber, jackfruit has been proven to help with many different bodily functions. Here are just a few of many health benefits of jackfruit. Let's get into this video. Number 1. Immunity booster. Jackfruit is loaded with antioxidants that can help boost your immune system. It contains carotenoids, which can help reduce inflammation and decrease your risk of developing certain chronic diseases. Jackfruit also contains vitamin C, which can help to reduce the duration of certain illness, including the common cold. Number 2. Skin health. The antioxidants found in jackfruit have another benefit as well. They may keep your skin looking fresh and young. Vitamin C has been shown to keep skin looking young, especially when consumed via fruits and vegetables, rather than applied topically to the skin. Number 3. Blood sugar. The high levels of fiber in jackfruit slow digestion, giving jackfruit a relatively slow glycemic index number. Diets with plenty of low GI foods have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. Jackfruit is also packed with protein, which can help prevent blood sugar levels from spiking after eating a meal. This combination makes jackfruit a good choice for people with conditions like type 2 diabetes. Number 4. Prevent aging. The reason behind aging is free radicals. These are produced in our body during high oxidative stress caused by pollution. Antioxidant-rich jackfruit destroys these free radicals, which slows the aging process down. Number 5. Energy. A 100-gram serving of jackfruit contains 94 cal and is loaded with good carbohydrate. It instantly gives you an energy boost upon consumption. The sugars in jackfruit are very easy to digest and are really healthy for our body. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Brain Key.